welcome once again to our Rockstar VA. Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to another The Rockstar VA show and I'm so excited for today's video because we have another guest and as what our as what our team says no now TP daw me because we are talented people and I totally agree, like people in TP is not just talented with regards to becoming or to being like a great VAs but even talented in other areas as well. And nga nung na-share man ko, Ana, because of course, our guest speaker for tonight is one of the most talented people as well in our team. And by the way, for those who didn't know us, before I introduce our speaker, I'd love to again welcome everybody for the 7 million people around the live, no, who is watching us tonight. Welcome. So this is the Rockstar VA show and I'm your host, Kenneth Dale Violango Comidoy, the founder and the CEO of The Profile, the mother company of The Profile Academy. And without further ado, let's dive deep towards our talk for tonight because I know that you are all excited to learn again from one of our experts. And without further ado, let's welcome our guest speaker, Patricia!
What's up? What's up?
Ayan, grabe energy ba no? Hi kayo og energy. Hi Trish, good evening!
Hi, good evening and sa itong mga viewers diha for our 9 million viewers. What's up? What's up?
Yeah, ayan. Let's go, talented people. Yes. Trish, first and foremost, I would love to honor and acknowledge you for saying yes to this. I know na very busy ang schedule, which we were also going to talk about later on. Nga na busy mo na schedule ni Patricia, no? But with that, thank you again. And I know that a lot of people will be inspired with your story for tonight. And that's why, dili na ako palangay-langayon pa, no? I would love to probably start with asking you a question. Okay, as what our kumbaga caption says that you are previously a call center agent. So what brought you in this space? No, can you briefly share your career journey before becoming a VA and what made you decide to transition into a virtual assistant world?
Right, thank you for this wonderful question, Miss Ken. Shout out. There's really Q&A ba? Bitaw, uh, before that though, I would love to thank for the opportunity good na to be part of this podcast or
Yes.
episode, Rockstar VA episode. So,
Yep.
um, so as what Miss Ken mentioned, and sa to ang caption, no, I was a call center agent before good. So, if if you're familiar with the 611, good kugikan. So I've
Mhm.
been there for like a year. And then, actually, 611 is also a great company good na ako ang natrabahuan since
Yeah.
um that's also my first ever good na work. So sa 611, aside from kanang run sa company business, ay sa kanang family business, kay so yun ako ang first good na work na kanang
Yeah.
mga challenging good siya na work. So,
Mhm.
um, sa akong call center days, kay kanang makainom ko nalingaw good, but nabot gid sa point na hago. Kay kanang hago siya at the same time stressful, kanang it's not giving kanang
Mhm.
healthy environment, healthy kanang sa imong life, ana gani. Personally, it's because kanang sa mga call center agent diha kabalo ko na maka ano mo ani na kana ganing mag-call ka niya first in the morning pa fresh ka pag abot sa inyong workstation ya pagtawag di mo kay pag good morning pa lang pamalikas na dayon ang mga sa mo so di magbatikid ka stressful kay
Mm.
kanang wa makoy sala pero ngano na malikit ka ana gani but
Mm.
kana sa call center gyud kay kanang dili pa digid ang mga soft-hearted na person knowing sa akong self, I'm very kanang soft-hearted yun. So,
Mm.
siguro, that's one of the reason why I decided to stop working in sa call center. And
Mhm.
also, ang kakapoy, grabe gid ang kakapoy. And, ganing, from a very stressful na work, kanya, pag uli nimo kay di pa ka kasakay og jeep dayon sa kapuno-puno sa jeep mao gid na ako isa ka kuan pag nasa jeep kay makatulog unya usay kay
Mm.
malampas pag yun nga di na ko makahunong to mao gid na ang isa sa struggle ngano yung
Mm.
nag-shift ko into VA world but kanang before gid ko naging VA kay na-stop ko gid ko work for pila ka murag siguro for pila ka weeks
Mm.
before ay kanang nag-pray ko kay Lord kato paghawa gyud nako sa call center kay
Yeah.
kanang I really prayed to God my Lord tagay ko kanang work day na kanang di na ko ma-stress sa kanang manubag og mga clients na mamalikan kani di na ko mas di na ko ma-stress sa expenses kay katupod na time is mo to na time nga murag na stop ang business sa ang mo family business and then
Mhm.
wala gid me source of income so that's
Mm.
why nga nag call center ko ato but then I stopped kay di na po siya good sa akong health food yun grabe siya ka stressful so nagpray ko kay Lord ano ako na Lord kanang tagay ko work Lord be na kanang dili gid ko ma-stress tapos ang environment kay dili toxic ana gud jud and then
Mm.
one time may
Storytelling
nag-message
time.
may nag-message so di na lang ko i-mention pero mo gid siya ang instrument ni Lord nag-message siya na kanang mag-join sa I think mao na siya ang last na academy sa profile nga free pa siya. Gawa pa siya bayad. Thank you Lord, gid kaayo kay murag kami gid ang last na batch ato no walay bayad ang kanang course sa profile ato. But then ang katong during sa kanang hesitant pa gyud ko mag-kuan first kaya ko hello basig di na ko ni kaya basig maglisod ko ani ana pero ni go gihapon ko kay pangayo man ako kay Lord niya magitubag but
Mm.
during sa katong pag-eskwela na sa course na gani pag during sa amo ang session kay makaingon ko na it is not smooth kanang sa ako ang gi-expect kay nagid siya yung mga kanang nay mga kakulian nga hitabo sa family anak so na-stop gyud ko for kanang pila ka week murag wala na
Mm.
jud ko pinapil sa amo ang session ano ko
Mm.
wala di na ko ma-BA ani kay wala ko pinapil sa session ana but then
Mm.
katong instant yun ano ni Lord kay kanang ano yun siya na padayon lang sa kanang academy and then last kaayo ko it's because kay kanang nahuman ako ang academy and then kana ganing kanang murag blessing kay siya sa kuha kay nag-VA ko nga kanang nag-start ko sa ako ang pagka-VA na wala kaayo yung knowledge kay syempre pila gud ka weeks absent sa kanang sa klase ala kumbaga klase pila ka weeks tapos kato pag kuan kay message pag yun ko ni Miss Ken na naay ka ng client na kanang need og kanang VL ako hala ako nag-message at kay kanang in-need na gid kaayo ang client like mag-work na gyud asa pala hala urag saon man na ko Lord urag nya napa ko'y laptop ako basta ka lang kanang urag grabe ka struggle gyud but then kay makaingon gid ko na kanang sa kang pag-start as a VA up until now, it is such a blessing for me gyud kay makaingon gid ko na it is a big difference gyud ako ang pag-work before sa call center and now kay makaingon gid ko na grabe gid nagid ko yung peace of mind every day tapos dili gid siya stressful. So murag mo to ang nagkanang ano sa kuan na mag-shift from call center into work from home VA.
Yay! Thank you so much, Tis, for sharing your story. And before ko muhatag og ako ang commentary kay commentator naman ko dali. Let's say hi to those people no na ano dali hala niingon si Ara dali. EOP please, ma-challenge man pud ta ani. Ayan, so thank you, Trish, and a lot more. Go, Trish, though, really cheering you up. And thank you so much, guys, for, tuning in. And thank you so much for the engagement. I think this is the purpose why we always tend to have this every Tuesdays. Because, again, our goal here is to give you real stories. And as hearing your real story, Trishno, I love it when you mentioned that despite the previous industry that you are in, siguro what I love about what you've shared is there's still a heart of gratitude. Like despite siguro na, you've mentioned stressful siya health-wise, but still, the attitude of gratitude really goes to show why God has been probably giving you opportunities that He know himself nga ma-entrusted ka sa mga opportunities na despite pa less of experience, but talaga na ay client na yun, because some other people actually that I've interviewed in this podcast is some of them nag-wait pag pila ka weeks, pila ka months before natagaan og client, pero karon ako na remember na natagaan din ka na yun og client no. So lahi-lahi jud siya, ladies and gentlemen, og story, no, but probably because you're given client, because you're also reliable. So siguro nakita sa team that you are also reliable, and up until this point you are good. So with that, no, let's proceed with the second question. Like, what was the most significant turning point in your career that led you becoming a lead generation specialist and a VA? So diretso ba ka? Nagdiretso ba rin kag lead gen, Trish?
Actually, ako ang first good na role sa pag-start ako sa the profile kay social media market, social media expert. So,
Mm.
nag-SME ako first before
Mm-hmm.
nag-lead gen. So, ato siya, actually sa social media kay mao gid akong first na client si Tony katong Australian client na
Yes,
grabe siya
yes,
call.
yes.
Kato siya wag ito siya SME but murag more on focus gid jud gyapon ko sa lead gen. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why murag kanang after ato na client nagkanang for the next client him nag-focus na gid siya sa lead gen and
Mm-hmm.
virtual assistant.
Okay, yeah. So for the, for those people who are watching us right now who are really new to the industry and didn't know even ano si tawag ani na ano na ako sa nagabasa magugo at the same time sa so kana mga terms, yeah, the terms, no, didn't know the terms. So could you give us like probably a brief ano Trish, as to if you are a lead generation expert, like what is expected from you? Can you tell us more about the role?
Okay, from the word generate or generation, and from the word lead generation, you will be generating leads for your client. So, for
Mm-hmm.
example, if you have a client na nag-offer silang mga services, mga products, so mangita ka as a lead generation expert. So, ikaw magapangita og client para sa imong client. Bala ikaw magapangita og customer na mag-avail sa ilang service or products. And actually, kana makaingon ko na it is a very easy role, but mao na siya ang pinaka-importante na role sa business, ang kanang lead generation expert, because they will be the one good na kanang maghatag og customers sa imong mga clients. So kana from the word lead generation expert, mag-generate gid kag leads sa imo para sa imong mga clients.
Yes, the reason why I ask you that, Fish, because actually during the weekend, like we met with Atimay and some other VA po nakaubanan na to sa simbahan ba, and people are actually na-stress ko yung mga tao na mukalit tag-ingon nagaay ko client babe, bro, joke kanang kumbaga, this is again for awareness to everyone that VA job is not just pindot pindot, and we're not just facing our laptop for no reason. Like we have really vital role in our clients' businesses. So just as what Patricia mentioned, that she's a lead generation expert. So in short, she's a marketing strategist. So therefore, she is generating or marketing our clients' businesses for them to acquire clients. So ganun po yun. And there's also a lot of niches actually in this industry. So that's why it's very important. And I think what I love about our industry, Trish, is that you really get to have a chance to explore things based on your like skills or based on what you are comfortable with. But aside from lead gen, na ba kay other mga roles na na nakuha sad?
Yes, Miss Ken. Actually, sa katong mga previous kong mga clients, pinaghanap ng mga naagian na clients. So, aside from being a lead generation expert kay, I've been an admin virtual assistant.
Yeah.
So, kato.
Could you dive us a little bit about the role? Ayan. Kaya I'm
So
sure
sa
daghan jud kay
admin,
curious.
yeah, sa mga wala kabalo sa admin virtual assistant, from the word admin is you will be doing admin tasks. So, kung sa mga tasks na ipabuhat sa inyo sa mga clients, not just sa kanang, aside sa lead generation mong good, more on like mag-outreach, more on na kanang more on sa LinkedIn or sa kung unsa na platform ang ipagamit sa client sa inyo ha. So,
Mhm.
sa admin virtual assistant is kanang ikaw mag-book og calls, ikaw kanang organize sa email sa imong mga clients. So,
Mhm.
kana gyud na kana na role is you need to be with organized kay dira gyud ma-practice imong pagka-organize na person. And at ako nga dili kayo organized before kay na anad gyud ko na dapat gyud i-organize gyud tanan to kanang to make your work easy gani dali na lang imong trabaho kay kabalo ka where to start ana.
Yes.
And kana as an admin virtual assistant kay kanang murag wala na as what I've mentioned na kanang ang mga client ang mismo maghatag og task sa imuha like to book the call,
Yeah.
to kanang organize ang mga emails nila, to
Mhm.
respond to the messages. So kana dili lang gyud siya ingon within sa kana mag-send og message or
Mhm.
mag-reach out. So kana.
Ayun. Thank you so much for that information, Trish, because I know that there are really a lot of people who are actually afraid to be in the industry because they were thinking that, there's really a lot in this industry,
Mm.
like different roles at the same time, but actually you can niche down. Again, you can choose whatever path you wanted to master to become an expert with, but the beauty about the industry is that you can choose whatever niche closer to your natural gift. And that being said, since your previous work was a customer representative, CSR, tama, customer sales representative, how does it closely related, or if you could relate the role that you have in the call center compared sa imong role as a VA? So how would you relate? Because I know there are a lot of people watching right now or might watch this on YouTube na, they are call center, and I think that's the closest manggod na marag, but they are still afraid of the industry.
Mm.
So how would you relate?
So, sige, actually sa being a customer service representative, nagyo dira imuhang problem solving and quick thinking skills. And kana na skill is ma-apply gid nimo siya as a virtual assistant. Kay
Mm.
sa kuha sa term na problem solving and quick thinking na skills kay ngano ma-apply siya, it's because as a virtual assistant, dili ka pwede always na magsalig sa mga clients to
Yeah.
kana ganing to kanang to solve the problem. Dapat ikaw as a virtual assistant, mao ganing gitawag na virtual assistant because you will be assisting your client.
Yes.
So instead kanang and to make their kanang work life easier gani.
Yeah.
So magamit gid imong skills as a problem solving and sa quick thinking kay sa customer representative kay during call dapat mag ano man jud ka kanang solution sa kanang unsay
Yeah.
mga problema sa imong mga customers at the same time
Mm-hmm.
same lang gid siya sa virtual assistant if
Mm.
na ay mga strategies na not working sa inyong campaign, you will be the one to solve the problem and kanang mag-strategize gid dayon. And isa pud gyud dira kay sa sa customer service kay you need to have a strong communication o mag-build gid
Mm.
kag relationship sa imuhang customers. At the same
Yes.
time, mao pud gyud tinubuhatan sa virtual assistant. So
Yes.
same lang gid imuhang ano ba kung unsa imuhang skills sa imuhang call center,
Mm-hmm.
ma-apply gid mo siya sa imong pagka-virtual assistant kay isa gid dira is a strong communication. If you have the experience to kanang makipag-communicate sa mga customers, it is
Mm-hmm.
easy for you na mag-communicate pod sa imong mga clients. Murag
Mm-hmm.
kanang dili na kaayo ulaw sa imuha because you have the experience and the confidence na makipag-communicate and also mag-build gyud og relationship sa client. So dili ko ma-build a relationship sa client without kanang without kanang makipag-communicate. So kana gyud. Mo nang
Yes.
dili gyud mahadlok.
Correct, 100%. No, actually, basic work ethic. Like I think that's those skill set that is actually needed in other industries is also applicable to this industry. Pero siguro lang is that since it's a remote, it's much more challenging to be of integrity with how you work because no one is watching. Like 'di ba sometimes when you are in an office setup, pag ang boss, you are the most hardworking person, the most honest, the most kanang excellent one. But if wala, okay, laksan sa kay, magulat lang sa oras. So, that's I think one of the challenges. Ako personally, Trish,
Mm.
do you find it challenging, no, sa kana na area?
Very challenging yun. Kay dira pud maanoy mong honesty. Kung naging honest ka pa
100%.
sa imuhang mga trabaho kay basig
Mm.
nagbutang-butang lang ka sa imuhang gipagbuhat ana na day but dili di ka na imong gibuhat. Ala gani.
Yes. And yeah, I think that's a reason why in in TP we always pray for the people that we work with because we don't really micromanage. Like I've experienced before when I was, as a campaign manager as well in an agency based in Australia. Not just me time tracker, and I totally understand why it happened as well because moto na lost lagi ang trust pud sa mga owners before and so on. So not just me time tracker like gina screenshot ang amo ang mga trabaho and everything. But in TP we don't practice that because I truly trust the people, and at the end of the day if people are not watching, someone above is watching us, 'di ba? And kung kapiyalan gani daw ta sa mga gagmayng butang, kapiyalan sad ta sa mga dagko, 'di ba? So before we proceed, Trish, let's of course say hi to the people watching us right now. Shout out from Levi. Ayan, prayer
Levi,
reveal daw, Trish. Ingat si Juna. Nga nakakuha kag quiet dayan prayer reveal, ayan. OMG,
100%.
papahay mo. Ay, syempre, jud na siya. Ayan. Thank you so much. Again, guys, if you have any question for Patricia, feel free to ask questions while it's free because, we have paid sessions, and while it's free, you have the time to actually ask us whatever question. So, kung pangutana pud mo kay siya about love life, taken na siya, guys, ha. So, dili na nato na siya ikuan. Okay, Trish, now, sige, asa pa ta maabot. So, I think nagstorya naman ta kaganina about skill set, the importance of like having really specific skills in this industry. For you, what is like the most essential in your growth as a VA? What skill set did you practice and how did you able to develop them?
Siguro ako kay since wala gid ko'y knowledge about sa mga tools gani. Isa gid na sa akong kahadlukan before basig
Mm.
kanang mga new tools kay labi di mo kabalo magkore-kore aning mga ingani. So
Yeah.
ako agad is ang sa tech savvy and adaptability gid sa mga tools kay
Mm-hmm.
kanang as a VA kailangan gid ta kanang maka kanang yung paspas ta na makatuon ana na tools or
Yeah.
kanang work sa workflows especially dili man ingon nga kanang pag nakay client same lang gyud na tools inyong ginagamit naging mga tools na tong mga clients na kanang different na kanang bag-o po gyud kaayo sa tuwa ba. So
Yep.
how I developed it kay kanang nagatan-aw ko o naga self-learning gid ko through kanang naman
Nice.
gyud tay mga YouTube na maging mga other
Yes.
platforms na makatanaw tag mga videos kung saan sa
Mm-hmm.
paggamit. Just wanted to share kay kani akong client karon sa Australia kay na
Yes.
siya CRM na kanang ay na siya katong murag asa ko pwede mangitag leads ba. So I know
Mm.
familiar ang uban ani sa Zoom info. Kay
Mm.
katawanan kaayo ka nang utana siya na kanang do you have experience ba daw sa Zoom info niya?
Yeah.
Familiar na ko sa word pero wala ko balik ko naka sa Zoom info ano ba?
Yeah.
Ano yeah, confident man kay ko. So, naingon ko na, yeah, I'm familiar with it. Familiar. Pagkahuman na to, may gani, kay wala ko nagkanang work, at wala pa ko hindi pa work sa kato na kuan, na tool. So,
Mm.
akong gibuhat it. After sa ko shift, nagdali-dali, gid ko kuan, how to use Zoom info. Para kalibutan ako sa YouTube. And then, makaingon ka na, kung committed gid ka na mag-learn of new
Yes.
things, kay
Mm-hmm.
maka-learn gid ka kanang kanang sa imo lang kung self kay na naman tay mga YouTube ana gani so
Mm.
dito kanang nakaingon gid ko kanang dali ra siya kung kanang willing ka na mag-learn of things. So
Yeah.
isa siguro na sa kanang skills na kanang essential for me para
Yes.
mag-grow as a VA kanang tech savvy and of course lastly is ang communication yun, communication
Mm.
skills kay
Mhm.
before kana makaingon ko na kanang wala agi ka ng growth siguro sa inyo ha mismo sa imong relationship sa imong client kung dili gid
Mhm.
ka mag-communicate. And one
Yeah.
thing na nakoy na client katong si si katong taga UK di ano ko
Ayun na,
mag-mention
toot!
katong si
Friends
taga
ka ba mi sa
UK
Facebook?
ay kato siya kay tawa na ba to kato siya kay actually I really learned a lot from him especially
Mhm.
sa pag-communicate with sa client
Yes.
kay
Mm.
one thing na dili na ko makalimtan na iyang gingon sa kuha is never ever be afraid to ask for help or to
Mm.
communicate with me.
Yes.
Kay kanang syempre iyahan ang business siya gyud
Mm.
ang nakabalo ko unsay mga
Exactly.
buhaton.
Yep.
So ikaw kung wala gani ka nakabalo sa imong unsay buhaton nimo or unsaon ni
Mhm.
siya
Mhm.
never ever be afraid to ask
Yeah.
me kay ay kanang willing ko na mag-help. So murag
Yeah.
mo na siya ang nitatak sa kong hunahuna na up until now nako dyan siya gi-apply sa kong self and
Mhm.
kanang kaimon ko na effective yun na
Yeah.
makipag-communicate ka sa imong client kay align mong duha na alignment sa inyong duha
Agree.
and kanang at the same time at least imong client kay kabalo siya na kanang whatever happens iingon gyud makipag-communicate gyud ka siya ha. So kana lang.
Perfect. 100%. I love it, no? Two things I think that is I totally agree with you, Trish. Like, I think more than being high kanang kumbaga tech tech savvy din na siya, tech savvy. So, more than being like really at being technical, I think what you highlighted is being coachable. Like, being able to really allow yourself or having that openness to really learn, because true enough that there are really a lot of like new tools, new strategies, new SOPs that you're going to go through in this industry. But I think what matters with clients is that how you are actually coachable and at the same time kanang adaptability gid mo, very flexible. So I love it, every time. This is actually one of the tips that I've mentioned to the team or to those people who are in our database, that if you find like nakabutang na gani na tool, and then kanang 'di ba usually we post job description. So before entering into like before saying yes to that, do a quick research, no? So syempre sa nahita mo sa mo interview naman gito sa client, like diha naman tayo, and you know what? They are really okay. Kana mo yun, like, yes, I was able to, it sounds familiar, but I haven't had the chance to really use it. But I've used other tools before that is similar to that, blah, 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 blah. Actually, they would really appreciate that. Kay kasabot sad sila na dili man jud pud ta all knowing, and the
Mm.
tools that we use dili man jud pare-pareha. So that's totally fine, and also the highlight of communication, especially that we are working remotely and our clients are from another time zone pagani gyud, 'di ba? So it's very important that we are proactive. And siguro kanina lang, Trish, kay na-mention naman ni mo to si Mr. UK. And in this industry, you would really have different experiences when it comes to clients, when it comes to, culture wise and character, like lahi jud ang mga kliyente. So, could you tell us, was there any like challenges that you faced in your career as a VA, and then how did you overcome them?
Daghan cute. Actually, daghan siya challenges yun. Isa gid ana kay kanang ang kuan gid nimo sa kung unsaon gid nimo pag-adjust sa attitude sa mga clients nimo. Kay as
Mm.
what you mentioned this kan lahi-lahi gid ang attitude sa client. Na ay
Yep.
kanang buutan na mga soft spoken, napoy ka ng mga kanang direct to the point.
Yep.
Mga direct to the point. So, kanang ang ako lang gid siguro gibuhat ato na time is kanang makisama sa client. Kay katugid siya si past client kay kanang knowing his attitude kay kanang kung ikaw siguro nga kanang soft-hearted kay kung nga tao na ano be na may challenges ato nga time nga natandog pud gud kaya ko so
Mm.
kana
Yeah.
gyud pero kung ikaw gyud na grabe ka kuan nga dili gid nimo kanang murag mabaguhan ka ba kay moingon gid kag give up gid ka diretso kay
Yep.
di gid sa lalim kay lahi-lahi gid ang attitude sa client but sa ko alam gid siguro nagibuhat ato is adjustment yun
Mhm.
adjustment sa ako ang self, sa akong emotions, mao gyud
Mhm.
na mag-adjust and kanang pakisamahan lang gyud kay
Yes.
at the end kay sa akong ginabuhat nga ginapakisamahan lang gyud ako ang attitude sa client is
Mhm.
wala ko na expect nga ma-close mig duha like ako
Mm.
na expect nga among relationship kay nagahinay-hinay na dahil siya build so kana mo
Yes.
na isa sa ako ang challenges na
Mm.
kanang I'm really grateful for kay ako gyud siyang na-overcome
Yeah.
and one thing kay kanang isa sa akong challenge gyud sa kanang personally kay kanang mahadlok og kanang ganing na ay mga for example na ay client na gusto mo ano sa kuha kanang gusto ko kwaon but pagbasa pa lang sa kanang job
Description.
qualifications murag hala kanang murag ginaano na ako sa ba
Overthink.
overthinking, mag-overthink pa dayon, tapos ginalimit na ko akong self ba, knowing na
Mm.
I can do this. Pero
Yes.
ka na murag sa akong self, wala, uy, di man ako likaya. And
Mm.
how I overcome it, kay, dili lang gid tungod sa akong self, naging mga tao nga tabang sa especially gid ang family sa TP, kanang
Mm.
ako ang mga workmates, kay grabe gid sila mo cheer up yun, na kaya
Yeah.
na pa, kana gani. So,
Mm.
grateful kay ko, kay isa gid na
Mm.
siya sa reason nga nung na-overcome na ko na na-challenge kay,
Yes.
naagi ka ng, I've been surrounded with kanang supportive people, kanang walay kanang tao ba na i-look down gani ka, kanang, di mo
Mm.
kaya kaya na, but instead, kanang,
Mhm.
they will gonna cheer you up. So,
Mm.
magid na ang kanang mga challenges o kanang, di na ako sila overcome.
Yay, I love that. Actually, I love it that this is how authentic. By the way, guys, kuan niya siya kanang these are really like real stories because sometimes manggo there's a lot of hype in this industry. Like that's really true, 'di ba? Like for example, even I know when marketing purposes when you post about perks of this industry, you would really gonna say like the highs of this industry. But how about the lows? And I think this is the reason why we wanted to be as vulnerable, as authentic as we could be because we wanted to set your expectation that same with any other industry. There are also really like tough clients that that you can encounter. And I guess what matters is like how I love it when Patricia mentioned that, how you adjust to a certain character, to a certain culture, because please put to mind that, these are different peoples, these have different values, this has different culture, background, character. So you have to really learn flexibility and really adapting one's attitude. So of course no, you would know naman jud if uy murag dili na gyud na siya tama, murag you would know man sad. But so far I've like it was I think the toughest sad na lesson that I have I've encountered because naadyoy uban nga labad jud siya. But I think if you have built yourself kanang up when it comes to the portfolio that you have or when it comes to the skill set that you have, it's easier also or it would be much easier also to like say no to a client na kabalo na ka na, very, very ano sad kaayo ka ng very tough sad. So right now in TP,
Mm.
we choose clients na sad. So kung sa sugod pa lang gani, labad na, ay cancel. Kanang dili ta mangitag labad sa to ang self kay our peace is the best kuan jud. And ganahan sad kay ko when you mentioned na kanang very important that you are in a right environment because wala man jud sa yun na trabaho. Actually, even if we're working from home, mas kapoy siya, not physically but mentally. Kaya syempre no, kailangan og brain cells and everything. So, if you are not in a right environment, like toxic one, I think mo man jud ang makakapoy sa work no, murag dagan gani according to statistics, most of the people who actually resign from their job is not because of the job itself, but because of the environment. And yeah, culture is very important. So if you would gonna choose a client or an agency that you wanted to work with, make sure that culture is really kanang healthy. No, kana jud akong pinaka mental health is very important. So unsa ka man ang money kung imong mental health wala kay peace of mind and everything. So plus points na nang naay kwarta plus na ano pa gyud dindot pa gyud ang culture. So kani
Correct.
Trish, as what I've mentioned kaganina na 'di ba you're a busy person because aside from becoming a VA or aside from being a VA, I mean, you are also an entrepreneur. So, that being said, how do you maintain a healthy balance between your professional responsibilities plus your personal life pa? I know that you are very active when it comes to ministry, no? Active jud kay ta sa ministry. Um, plus, of course, you also do have family business. Yan, napod kay ka ng imuhang personal business. So, how you manage your time? How to be you po?
So, ang ako siguro Ken, before no kanang wala gyud na sa kuha na kanang mag-business gud ko kakuha. But siguro katong nag-start gyud ko sa kanang ako ang personal na business. At first na gyud ang struggle sa pag-manage sa time kay kanang
Mm.
mura kog magkabuang kay kana ganing mahurot ang stock kay wala ka kuya na uy kanang nagtrabaho pa ko kadali lang ana kanang yan ani mo kasi mo pagbuhat tag ko kadali lang kay nagtrabaho pa ko kanang naagid ang struggle at first but
Mm.
then kanang nagkadugay kay ay kanang na ano gyud sa kanang ang time management o kanang
Mm.
mag-set og boundaries mao gyud na
Yeah.
akong gibuhat
Nice.
karon currently kanang sa time management and sa pag-set og boundaries kanang if ever it is my working hours kanang for example work na ko sa TP dapat kana for the 8 hours work lang gid na sa TP. Walay
Mhm.
any distractions, walay laing trabaho na buhaton. Focus
Mhm.
lang gid ko sa work sa TP. So
Mhm.
that is how I set my boundaries. And
Hmm.
the time management is muragi ano na gid nako daan ba sa katuig question sa katong ato ang katong sa tong monthly virtual connect kay
Yeah.
kanang imuha bang kuan imuhang mga plans for this week ana so ako
Hmm.
gid ang buhat kay kung dili gid ako sa
Hmm.
buhaton magkagubot gid ako ang adlaw ala gani so
Correct.
ako yung ginabuhat is nagaano gid ko og to-do list for the day na
Hmm.
dapat muwat ako 5:30 so kay mo devotion
Mhm.
sa kay mag-meditation sa kadali devotion ana
Nice.
and then
Mhm.
after kay dira na mo start ako work by 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. So, mo na akong
Mhm.
gisat na ano. Pahalag ka na mo lang pa sa at least 30 minutes sa work. So,
Mhm.
kana, 6 to 2:30, work yun na sa the profile. After ana, kay mukaon sa kadali. Mukaon sa kadali. So,
Mhm.
after sa kaon kay, dila na ako ginabuhat ang kanang sa personal business, ana. So,
Hmm.
since dali ra man gid kay siya buhaton pud noon. So,
Mhm.
kana ko ginabuhat gid kanang kana nagit time management i-track gid nimo imong mga ginabuhat within the
Yes.
week ana for kanang naamay yun yung mga ma-change sa schedule pero
Hmm.
rare lang man po na siya mahitabo noon. So
Mhm.
kana gid na jud dapat time management o mag-set gid tag boundaries.
Yay! Yeah, I totally agree as an advocate of productivity. So, muna po na isa sa akong mga gina-crown sa, sa kong self na advocate of productivity because I realized ba, time is really essential. Like, especially for example, si Shanshai, di ba na, di ba who would have thought na kanang, to bata pa, ay, hindi man siya super bata, but I mean, who would have thought he has all the money, she has all the resources, kumbaga, but pag time is up na gid siya. So didto na sad na ako na-realize na, how important it is that you really manage your time well, that you are
Mm.
really the author of your life in a sense na ganahan ka tuningon ka na you wanted to set boundaries because sometimes man God, we thought that productivity is just by adding a lot of things in our plate. But actually it's not. It's prioritizing what is really essential and really valuable for you and at the same time saying no to those things na won't really bring you to your next level, no, or to your goal. So that's why it's very important that you set your goal, you set what you really wanted to to become, so that it would be easier for you to choose whether okay ko ani, I'll do this, and then no, it's not within my scope of focus right now. So thank you so much for that, and I think that's very important, Trish. Then siguro also, isa sa ako na-realize ba while you're talking kaganina, kaya ako magud before, I've also tried to become a VA ha. And daghan pud kay ko karaw-karaw jud ato na mga days of my life, no? Kay syempre pa man UI and everything. So, and then people ask me ba, okay man ang imong pay, nganong magtrabaho pa man ka, and every, mano na pa ba kay daghang karaw-karaw sa life. But di ka pud ako na-realize na, la, blessed jud day kayo ta ani nga industry, because I think katong call center kayo won't have that much time to have extra pa. Why? Because lahi pang oras na mag-andam, lahi pang oras na ma-stuck ka sa traffic, lahi pang oras na maghulat ka sa jeep. And I think na-mention ni mo na kaganina, di ba? Lahi pa ang oras na, dako kaayo, og little did we know ba, murag ma-realize na lang to, hala, dako sa time nagikuha sa akong career, oy. And I think this is what I love about our industry, because ako sa una ma-remember pa nako tong wala pa ko yung mga morning routine and everything. Mumanda ko 5 minutes before sa alarm, okay, atubang the computer. Or maligo kay di man jud ko pa didi maligo kay labadanan ko gulo. So maligo na ko nya mo tabang di ko computer. So 'di ba, that's one of the, I think, good key things kay, of course, no, this is what I tell also my team. I don't want you to be facing your laptop for the rest of your lives. Like, our goal really is to create a community wherein everyone is abundant, because, everyone has this investment here, everyone has this business here running by themselves while having active income as a VA. And muna na ang murag route na mo this year. And I'm very excited yun for what's ahead. But syempre, dili pa na ako na siya sa mga people who are actually watching us right now. Please do follow gyud some of the updates that we will be having about kanang around that gyud, kay I'm so excited to be sharing that, no, as well. Pero before that, no, Trish, what is your advice for those aspiring VAs looking to break into the industry and stand out? Looking for break, I mean.
Mhm. Siguro sa ako, ma-advise lang yun is always keep learning and upskilling. Kana gyud. Don't kanang kung naa kay client and kanang ang imuhang niche is, for example, sa ako niche is lead generation. So I already know kanang sa mga buhaton. I don't kanang stop learning yun.
Na.
Kay dili ingon nga na nakaana na role nimo, nakala mo na role mo, it means mag-stop na ka na mag-learn for new strategies and also mag-upskill yun. Kay
Mm.
if mag-upskill ka, more skills, more clients, di ba?
More
So
money.
kala, more clients, more money. So kala, kanang never ever stop kanang learning and
Yeah.
mag-upskill gid ta if there's a chance na mag-upskill ta. So one thing that I did good guys, syempre karon kay ang TP kay naa din siya yung nagpa-free course man si web development. So kaya
Yes.
excited kaya siya sa kuha kay murag another opportunity na mag-upskill nga walay bayad. So why
Mm.
not kanang kuan the opportunity, take the opportunity, di ba?
Yes.
So kana mag-upskill good because VA, it is not just about kanang mag-complete ng task. Kung ma-complete ang task kay dira ra tataman, ana
Yeah.
gani.
Mhm.
If you wanted to stand out as a VA, you really need to go beyond kanang kung unsay task na ihatag sa imuha.
Yeah.
Dili kay mag-stop lang ka kay kanina KPIs na ang gihatag sa ko after buhaton ani kay mao lang ni siya. Humana na
Mm.
ko. How are you
Mm.
going to deliver results kung
Yeah.
ingana imong mindset? So,
Yes.
one thing siguro na makaingon ko na kanang nganong proud ko moingon ko na I'm a rockstar VA, ana ba kanang
Yeah.
nganong moingon ko na VA ko kay
Yeah.
because makaingon ko na I've been giving so much effort sa akong mga clients and
Mm.
makaingon ko na effective siya is because of the results that na akong gina-deliver kay
Yeah.
before just wanted to share this one kay katong previous gid nako na client kay
Mhm.
murag almost a month ko sa iyaha nga kanang wala gid di kanang walay results ana gani walay mga leads so do
Mhm.
grabe amo ang kanang acceptance rate but wala may responses. So
Mhm.
what I did kay dapat tinga nila man ang buhaton. So what I did is nag-ano ko, nagkanang i-follow up na ko tong mga previous na mga kuan, mga targets na kanang a month ago na walay response. Ako
Mm.
gibuhat is ako silang gipangtandan og mga email sa LinkedIn,
Mm.
pangtandan og kanang responses. And
Mhm.
makaingon ko na it's very effective though the client did not ask me to do it. But
Wow.
knowing myself, kanang, kung ikaw ba sa VA, nakabalo ka na, kanang this thing works or this strategy will gonna help your business grow or
Mhm.
maka-deliver siya results, why not
Yes.
do it? Okay.
Yeah.
Kanang, ano yun, if you really wanted to stand out, mo gina kong always nagkinaingon nga, kanang, mag-effort gid ka.
Yeah.
Dili gid kay mag-stop lang ka sa kung sa ipabot sa imo ha. If you think that you can do
Mhm.
more. So kana
Yeah. Yay! I love it. Actually, gi-answer na nimo ako ang last question, Trish, which is for you. What is a rockstar VA? And it shows. Actually, it shows how you work. It shows how, like, karon, 'di ba, very silent kaya ang imuhang client kadang kung unsa to ka very active ang previous nimo na client, karon pud very silent lang jud, but I've really seen how proactive you are, how you have given so much kanang kumbaga update to your client, what have you done, thinking or really strategizing what else can I offer, because at the end of the day, kani always should nako ginabalik-balik no, money is a symbol of value. And I think, people would love to kumbaga offer you their resources, might that be time, might that be talent, might that be money, if you are also valuable, if you also genuinely want to give your all. And I think I'm kanang kumbaga, I'm really proud to say that you're one of those rockstar VAs good in the team who's really all out when it comes to the campaigns given to you. That's why we also, entrust you kung kaya pa go trash ka na. More clients to come. And for this year, more clients to come, good siya
let's
for,
go.
yeah, for each and every one of us. So, sige, kanim, kay na-answer man nimo to ako ang Rockstar VA show. Ay, Rockstar VA. What is Rockstar VA for you, Trish? Kanina lang, what is your goal for this 2025 in your VA career?
Akong goal, ay, walay atik ha. Gibutan mo na ko
Yes.
siya sa ako ang journal, ay sa ako ang journal, ay sa
Yep.
notion ba? Katong 2025 goals. Ako
Yes.
gibutan nito is dapat naagid ko 3 to 5 clients this year. Maagid na ako ang goal kay ano ako mag-ilimit ako sa kabalo ko nga pwede pa pwede pa
Yes.
ano gani. So kana maagid ako isa sa goal and also kanang ako ang yung growth for sa kanigid na industry kay
Mm.
kanang gusto pa gyud ko mag-learn og more skills kay
Mm-mm.
ganina sa mo ang kanang learning session with BD John kay murag
Mm-hmm.
excited ko na hala makatuto ingani kanang hala ingani di kadali ana ba sa murag exciting siya kanang mag-upskill gani so kana gyud ako isa sa goal na
Yeah.
mag-upskill gyud for this
Mm-hmm.
year dili lang kay as a lead generation VA but also become a web developer. Web developer.
Yeah!
Tara. Oy,
Amazing! Ganahan ko. Nasugdan na di ay ganina, no? I love it. And I think that's very important when you are actually, inside a community wherein everyone is really up for growth. I mean, matakdan ka sa energy, matakdan ka sa goals, ka parang, ma-realize, di mo, masama sige yun yung mga Trish, hala, akong goal naman is na ako full-time na client, but karon, di ba, level up 3 to 5 clients for this year. So, why not? Actually, in our company, we do not limit our team as long as you show up 100% to all of your clients. Sa dili na po siya maapektuhan, kana lang gid ang amo ang gina-ask pod for them, no? And yeah, thank you so much, Trish. Any last words? Tanan na to mga viewers karon, encouragement, why would they venture out into this space? Invite them to TTA. Go ahead.
all right. Bitaw, thank you for this opportunity, Miss Ken, and to all those people who are watching right now. Charas, wala dyan ka nang nag-iwan. Bitaw, oy, ka nang i-encourage kita mo tanan na pag-VA na mo. Pero, not because, pero oy, ang VA ha, kay dili ingon kay mag-tuplok-tuplok lang. Dili ingon lang mo shift mo VA kay kanang walay stress. Daabay ang stress. Kung stressful ako sa center, stressful po naman yung virtual assistant. So, expect na lang gidaan ang mga kuan, expect the worst ka. Ana lang gyud daan. Dili ko ka ba disappoint, but makaingon ko na kanang being a virtual assistant yun kay kanang lamig gyud siya sa feeling because while working you can still do other things ana gani kana napakay time to take good care of yourself and to have family time or do your business mao gyud na ang perk sa isa ka VA gyud so of course kay kung gusto mo mag VA sa kato na mga friends ako diha ay parang kuan kung how mag-apply sa TP as a VA ha, dapat, bitaw karon being a VA kay need good siya nga nagit ka experience, knowing na
Yes.
daghan kaayo kag competitions,
Yeah.
daghan kaayo ka ng mga VAs pud karon na naay mga experiences. So,
Mm.
isod gyud kaayo as a, siguro sa as an agency or as a client, dili gyud sila kanang mukag VA na wala experience. Ano
Mm.
mukha man sila VA nga wala experience, kung pwede sila mukag VA nga daghan nag-experience. So,
Yes.
kung ikaw nga nagahuna-huna ka karon nga mag-VA, why not kanang mag-invest ka sa imong self,
Yes.
mag-enroll kag mga courses. So,
Mhm.
if you're interested, pag-enroll na mo sa The Profile Academy. Arat na, ah.
Trish, again, once again, thank you so much. We've learned so much from you today. Thank you for inspiring us. And salamat kaayo, Trish. Good night. Salamat, salamat, salamat kayo sa imong time.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, thank you. Alrighty. And I know that you have learned so much from our guest speaker for today. And sama sa giingon ni Patricia, no, that, this is an investment. Like, I mean, let's face the reality. If you have been, you know, into school for years, investing time, energy, money, and effort because you wanted to get that job na you want, same with it is this industry as well. You have to also invest in your learning. You also have to invest in your, in your skills because, at the end of the day, ikaw lang gyapon ang maka-benefit. So, but the good thing is you don't need to enroll for 4 years course. You don't need to even enroll 2 years. You don't even need to enroll a year for you to be in the industry. So if you really wanted, to step up your game, if you're really curious, to how to start this and that, visit our page. In the Profile Academy, you learn more about what modules we can offer, all the technicalities is there already, what you can get and so on. But I think what I wanted you to review on this page is really the story of our very own team members. How has this industry changed their lives? How has this industry impacted their career? And of course, at the same time, I've shared also my very own story. Ayan po, ayan. I've also shared, di ba, niwang pa kaayo. I've also shared my very own story as to how did this industry really supported me achieve my goals. So I'm very excited to one day see you on class and also have this interview with you because you are one of the fruit of of this academy. So by the way, to those people, actually madami pong nagtatanong, no, if you have pricing plans and so on. So yes, we do have payment option already, so we hear you guys. And that being said, you can visit our page again, view more of our payment options. It's the best time for you while you can still afford it, because if you cannot afford it today, somewhat na gid in the future, because we will keep on increasing our price. And by the way, we have 100% money back guarantee for those people, because again, that is how confident we are with the course that we do offer. So if after the first lesson, na view mo ang first lesson, you think that there's no relevance, and you don't feel like you are going to learn from us, then eventually, no questions asked, we will give you all the payment that you have paid. 100%. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now. And by the way, since nandito na lang din po ako, if you are also looking for this year, no, that you wanted to be productive, you no longer want to be living life by default, meaning you wanted really to be the, kumbaga, to really be the lead, to take lead of your life, of your time. I just launched my product. So wala pa akong landing page, wala pang everything. Due to demand, I just pushed through and launched my first digital product. So this is what I call the Thrive Board Life by Design. So this is my personal tool that I use, and I built this up for years already. Like, because if you know me personally, the profile is not the only business that I do have. So I have a total of 3 to 5 naman. I'm not sure, 3 to 5 businesses in place. I'm a mom. I'm a breastfeeding mom up until now of a 2-year-old beautiful daughter. I'm a wife. I'm very active when it comes to my mission of, discipling people. So I really have a lot of things in my plate. But this Thrive board has always been my guide on how am I going to actually, be of balance ako ang life. So you can actually avail this one. Send us a message. Send me a message. Ako ang personal Facebook account. If you know me personally, or in the Limitless Wealth account, or here in the profile, this will really gonna help you. Again, we have, it will help you how you are going to schedule your day, how to be intentional with your day, with your month, with your week. Ayan, nandito na po lahat, and it has tutorial videos in it, and then on it. And then also we have like project management. So if you have like projects in place, might that be personal, might that be related to your business, you can use this one. And also some quick datas, personal datas as well. So, even this is how I actually organize my life. So we have even, I have like template of list of my groceries and other stuff. And then even being able to really track your cash flow, see it on a month to month basis, your income, your total expenses, and your yearly summary, which is very important. Receivable tracker. Ayan, para walang malimutan na may utang. Yeah, investment tracker, lahat po. Kompleto na ito. It even has personal development tracker. So, whatever, if you have learning sessions that you join, para hindi masayang, you can put down notes around here. Again, nandito na po, may mga template na dyan, may mga tutorial videos, and even tracking your own life, like your goals. How do you want to see your Q1, your Q2, Q3? Track it, your daily habit. If you really wanted to build a habit this year, this is a perfect tracker for you. And then, of course, this is also like a perfect place for you to write down, with what magic did you witness, or some sort of like a diary. So yeah, again, our Thrive board is already available. So because I don't have like landing pages yet and all of those stuff, so it's like from 1,299, I still offer it for 997 until such na available na po ang aking landing page. So what are you waiting for? Ayan, DM us as well if you wanted to avail this. Again, I am Ken, and my goal in life is really to be surrounded with people living life in abundance in all areas. So when I say in all areas, financially, spiritually, mentally, socially, if you know me personally, you know that has always been my advocacy. And I praise and thank God that, I get to have this avenue wherein I get to give opportunities as well to people through the profile, even to my coaching business, and to a lot of things also I have in my plate. So, guys, this 2025, make it different to the rest of the years na naanak ka. So, looking forward to really be of connection with you. And yeah, that's it. So, if no questions anymore, I'd love to hear your feedback. Was this a fruitful podcast for you? Were you able to learn from Patricia? If so, could you comment it down on the comment section? And if you have any questions, go ahead, ask questions. If wala na po, then I'll end this live already. But I'd love to hear your feedback, so please do write it down on the comment section. So thank you so much again, guys, for tuning with us an hour of your time, and hopefully you've learned a lot tonight. So thank you so much and bye. Again, this is Coach Ken from the Rockstar VA Show. See you next week. Welcome once again to our Rockstar VA